Sa episode na to, tatalakayin natin ang madalas na katanungan about sa mga architect. Now, what is an architect? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and please don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the notification right away so you don't miss out the other parts of this episode. First off, hingi tayo ng tulong kay Mr. Google kung ano ba ang definition ng architect. Basahin natin ang sabi ni Mr. Google. Sabi dito, an architect is a person who designs buildings and in many cases also supervises their construction. Wow! Salamat kay Google sa napakagandang definition ng propesyon na to. Kadalasan, ang naitatawag sa mga architect ay engineers. Hindi po engineers ang mga architect. Bawat propesyon ay may kanya-kanyang strength at kani-kanilang mga linya. Ito pong video na to ang magpapalawig ng inyong kaalaman sa kung ano nga ba ang role ng mga architect. So syempre, search din natin kay Mr. Google kung ano ba ang engineers at ano ang role nila. So sabi dito, engineers as practitioners of engineering are professionals who invent, design, analyze, build, and test machines, complex systems, structures, gadgets, and materials to fulfill functional objectives and requirements while considering the limitation imposed by practicality, regulation, safety, and cost. Ayan, napakaganda at napakalawak po ng role ng mga engineers. Ang mga engineers po ay maraming type. May civil engineer for structural load or for strength. May electrical engineer for electrical lines and loads. May mechanical, may sanitary, at may plumbing. Ayan, so marami po sila. So shoutout po sa mga kaibigan kong engineers dyan. Cheers! So balik na tayo sa mga architect. The primary concern of architects is built environment. Pag sinabing built environment, architects ensure that people will have good and great places to live, eat, worship, play, learn, meet, work, govern, and shop. So architects are the number one responsible of designing these places, be it private or public, indoors or outdoors. Architects are licensed professionals, qualified and competent in the art and science of building design. So hindi lang sila basta-basta nag-create ng mga concepts, but they also develop any structures and building. At hindi lang po sila basta-basta gumuguhit na kadalasang pagkakaalam ng mga nakakarami. Architects ensure that they turn each and every concepts into reality. Ang mga architects ay binibigyan ng overall look yung mga building and structures. At yung design ng mga ito ay pinag-iisipan nilang mabuti. Architects consider not only aesthetics but also ensure that the buildings must be functional, safe, economical, and must suit the needs of the user. Architects consider all of these. Sila din yung madalas kasama ng client or owner from scratch to post-construction. The architect and client discuss the objectives, space requirements, and needed budget in a certain project. Usually, there is an initial stage where architects provide services like conducting feasibility and environmental impact studies, selecting a site, preparing cost analysis and land use studies, or specifying the requirements at studying kung ano yung best design at standards na kailangan na ma-meet. Of course, maraming katandem or mga kino-coordinate ang mga architect. They coordinate with allied professionals like engineers, contractors, government officials, and other professionals. Actually, sobrang time and effort ang ginugugol ng mga architect to coordinate information about sa scope or trabaho ng iba't ibang involved na professionals engaged in the same project. They ensure that all allies will meet together efficiently in one goal and that is to finish the project successfully. At hindi lang po other parties ang ka-brainstorming ng mga architect. From the very beginning of the project, architects must be able to effectively communicate their ideas visually to their clients. Kaya nga, ang mga architect, likas daw yung pagiging artistic at yung may inborn drawing ability daw. Pero di lang basta-basta nagdo-drawing ang mga architect. The essential part of their drawing is for the visual orientation of the project and syempre ma-execute yung ability to understand the spatial relationships ng bawat areas. For anyone who's interested to become an architect, qualities you must possess are creativity and the ability to work independently and as part of a team. Computer skills are also essentials kasi architects also write material specifications and reports. And of course, architect also do 2D dimensional and 3D dimensional drawings using AutoCAD or Revit programs, SketchUp, and other rendering softwares para ma-present ng maayos yung concept ng project. They also do financial management studies and reports. They check and review building estimates and cost as well. Pinangangalagaan din nila yung client's interest na yung budget ni client sa project ay magkasya. Architects ensure na makita or ma-implement yung gusto talaga ng client na design para sa itatayo niya. So ngayon, mas lalo na natin nakilala sina architect. For your design and construction of any projects, hire an architect. See you soon as we continue to discuss topics related to this episode only here in Architects Insights.